Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Higher Secondary First Year Economics Chapter 1 Introduction to Microeconomics. Multiple choice questions. Economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It is the statement of Adam Smith, Lionel Robbins, Albert Marshall, Samuelson. The correct answer is Albert Marshall. The basic problem studied in economics is unlimited wants, unlimited means, scarcity, strategy to meet all our wants. The correct answer scarcity. Microeconomics is concerned with the economy as a whole, different sectors of an economy, the study of individual economic units' behavior, the interactions within the entire economy. The study of individual economic units' behavior is the correct answer. Which of the following is a microeconomic statement? The real domestic output increased by 2.5% last year. Unemployment was 9.8% of the labor force last year. The price of wheat determines its demand. The general price level increased by 4% last year. The price of wheat determines its demand is the correct answer. Find the odd one out. An inquiry into the nature and the causes of the wealth of nations. Principles of economics. Nature and significance of economic science. Ceteris paribus. Ceteris paribus is the correct answer. The equilibrium price is the price at which everything is sold. Buyers spend their money. Quantity demanded equal quantity supplied. Excess demand is zero. Quantity demanded equal quantity supplied is the correct answer. Author of an inquiry into the nature and the causes of wealth of nations. Alfred Marshall, Adam Smith, Lionel Robbins, Paul A. Samuelson. Adam Smith is the correct answer. Economics studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses is the definition of economics of Lionel Robbins, Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, Paul A. Samuelson. Lionel Robbins is the correct answer. Who is the father of economics? Max Muller, Adam Smith, Karl Marx, Paul A. Samuelson. Adam Smith is the correct answer. Economics is a science. The basis of this statement is relation between cause and effect, use of deductive method and inductive method for the formation of laws, experiments, all of the above. All of the above is the correct answer. Utility means equilibrium point at which demand and supply are equal, one satisfying capacity of goods and services, total value of commodity, desire for goods and services. The correct answer is one satisfying capacity of goods and services. A market is only a place to buy things, only a place to sell things, only a place where prices adjust, a system where persons buy and sell goods directly or indirectly. The correct answer is a system where persons buy and sell goods directly or indirectly. Which one of the following is not a point in the welfare definition of economics? Study of an ordinary man. Economics does not focus on wealth alone. Economics is the study of material welfare. Economics deals with unlimited wants and limited means. The correct answer economics deals with unlimited wants and limited means. Growth definition takes into account the problem of choice in the dynamic framework of economics, the problem of unlimited means in relation to wants, the production and distribution of wealth, the material welfare of human. The correct answer is the problem of choice in the dynamic framework of economics. Which theory is generally included under microeconomics? Price theory, income theory, employment theory, trade theory. The correct answer price theory. Does our exchange value and their ownership rights can be established and exchanged? Goods, services, markets, revenue. The correct answer, goods. Identify the correct characteristics of utility. It is equivalent to usefulness. It has moral significance. It is same as pleasure. It depends upon consumers' mental attitude. It depends upon consumers' attitude is the correct answer. Who has given scarcity definition of economics? Adam Smith, Marshall, Robbins, Robertson. The correct answer, Robinson. Robbins. The process of reasoning from particular to general is deductive method, inductive method, positive economics, normative economics. The correct answer, inductive method. Total revenue is equal to total output sold multiplied by price, total cost, marginal revenue, marginal cost. Price is the correct answer. Thank you very much.